In this video, I'll show you how to add DMARC record on GoDaddy. First of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to click your profile name in the top right corner and go to your products page. Right here, you need to look at the left menu and you need to choose domains, and you need to choose the domain where you want to add the DMARC record. So for example, let's choose this one, click on manage DNS, then you need to click add new record right here, and you need to use this article. Here is the instruction how to add the DMARC record. You need to scroll down and you need to look at this instruction. So in the type, you need to choose txt. In the name, you need to enter this, just paste it right here. And in the value, you need to copy this value from here and paste it right here, but don't forget to change the email address. This is an example. You need to change it to your actual email address and leave the TTL on default. Then click the save button and you will add the DMARC record to your GoDaddy. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.